Momoko. This episode gave me a little deja vu because felt like I looked at this episode before. Where the girls decided to take a vacation, chill, relax. Only celestial maiden humans alike. They decided to put behind their differences and get naked, showing off boobs, ass, and just to chill and call truce. This happened already, but happening again. I told them full fan service, boob grabbing episode of Momoko. Something that we already seen before, and this show it constantly keep doing it. However, this episode was about the girl getting hot springs to get rid of wrinkles, to look younger, to get bigger boobs, whatever they wanted to do. But they made a lie to attract some girls to come up there in order to feed us only some panties. He only that feeds on panty, and he harnessed the ability from the smell of a young woman to gain demonic powers. This fucking anime. But anyway, yeah, it was one of those episodes. Funny as fuck. I mean, especially when a girl got like on her hands and he like, look, a naked woman. Ooh, you see that naked hot girl? You can do anything you want to. Bitch smacked her. He don't want the girl. He just want the panties. Especially with the damn dog smell between her legs, kind of get her scent. Momoko legs. It was just one of those episodes. And Momoko actually getting her ass beat by her when she transformed. We transformed and she transformed. She didn't instantly win. Until he ate the old woman panties. The clean cream panties. And he powered down. He stood no chance. But it's just one episode where girls just grabbing each other boobs everywhere, bouncing for no reason, panties everywhere, people sniffing panties, people eating panties, guys trying to peep on girl while they in the hot spring. Oh my god, this anime. It's just nothing but fan service. It don't take itself seriously. Now, a few of my subscribers asked me, how come you still looking at this anime? I thought you would have dropped it. Well, I like finished stuff like that I've started, and I'm already too far into it to stop looking at it. But it's not that good. However, due to fan service, this episode do get a 10. Due to actual progress of the story, it get a 2. But anyway, tell you guys think. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. If you want to look at the episode and get a nosebleed, check it out in the description below. Have a good one. Peace out.